Hello, good evening everybody. I am Dr. Satish Paranspe from Sangli. I did my MD medicine from Miraj Medical College and working here in for almost more than 25 years. About 10 months back, I came in contact with Dr. Dikshit sir, who called me on and asked me to. Dr. Dikshit sir asked me to join DRC at Sangli, which they wanted to inaugurate and start new branch in Sangli. I was not very versed with Dikshit's diet plan and whatnot, but I thought let me join and see the things what they are doing. And genuinely, I thought I can observe the things, I can vigilantly see the things, and let us see whether it genuinely works or whether his claims are true or false. So, with this intention and motivation, I joined the DRC Center Sangli. DRC Center is being run by all the volunteers. There are no charges being taken, and all motivated persons are working there as volunteers. Mr. Kelkar is one of the backbone there, who explains the details of the diet, that too diet and exercise plan, that is the lifestyle. And he tries to explain for the obese patient type 2 diabetics primarily. We do not enroll the type 1 diabetics or insulin dependents primarily. But now for last 2 or 3 months we are also taking or enrolling the insulin dependent diabetics type 2 obese patients. And to my surprise, during the 6 months down the line, now we are observing that genuinely patients are following their diet plan and exercise plan, and this is vigilantly observed by the team being done by Kelkar. They have done the smaller teams of 5 or 6 persons or 5 or 6 patients and monitored by one monitor who practically is in touch with that patients every day in and out, motivates them by 5:30 in the morning, calling them for exercise. Every day we get photos of every patients. They are walking on the road, they are doing cycling, they are swimming, and about almost every day Mr. Kelkar posts a typical or very interesting diet plan for these patients and keeps them motivated. And down the line I have seen that patients have started reducing their weight, and to my surprise few of the patients have lost almost 10 kg plus weight and reduced their blood sugars. I have started seeing them for the hypoglycemic symptoms. I explain them what are the details or what are the hypoglycemic symptoms, and if they get the hypoglycemic symptoms, I ask them to cut down and see the DRC center, visit the DRC center. They have lost the weight, their blood sugars have gone down, their HbA1c has drastically come down from almost 12 plus to less than 6.5. They have gone from diabetic to pre-diabetic to non-diabetic states. And I was surprised. Now what I am left out with is just to cut down the dose of medicines, oral hypoglycemic drugs, and cut down the insulin doses, and if required stop the insulin. In fact, I am getting motivated by them that how this 2 meals and exercise going to reduce the weight. It's not only for diabetics, but primarily it is helping extraordinarily for obese patients. Doesn't matter if they are even non-diabetics. But possibly these obese patients are likely to go in a diabetic stage, maybe pre-diabetic, going to diabetic state. So this is extremely useful lifestyle modification, which we all have learned in our textbooks. I had never followed this, but now almost if I say a fresh diabetic, I think all our fraternity should ask the patient to follow this type of diet and lifestyle modification before we start any anti-diabetic drug. Unless the blood sugar are extremely high, unless there are emergencies, we are at present not following this for insulin dependent patients or type 1 diabetics. But this is extremely useful, and I strongly recommend for every diabetic, every obese patient to modify their lifestyle following this Dixit diet and whatnot. Thank you very much.